All right, so we're going to look at how to determine the intervals of increasing, decreasing, and constant given a graph. So the first thing we're going to do, grabbing our red pen, we're going to draw vertical lines at the transition points. Every transition point gets a vertical line. Now, what's a transition point? A transition point is where the graph transitions from going, say, up to down, or maybe from down to flat. So here we have 4 transition points. Next, we need to label those points at the bottom where they went through the x-axis. So -8, -6, -3, -2. Those are the points where it goes through the x-axis. And then we're going to come back and we're going to label each section what it's doing. So the first section is increasing. Next, we're decreasing. Next, we're constant. And then increasing and constant. And then once we've got this set up the way we've got it now, it should be a piece of cake to get the increasing, decreasing, and constant. All right, so here we go. So our first increasing is from -infinity up to -8. And then we have another increasing between -3 and -2. -3, -2. And somebody asked a question. They said, well, how do I know if it's a parenthesis or a bracket? And the answer is, well, it's never a bracket. If you're doing increasing, decreasing, and constant, you only use parentheses, never a bracket. Okay, next we're going to do decreasing. And our section of decreasing is between -8 and -6. And lastly, the constant. Here I've got a constant section between -6 and -3. And then we also have this other constant that starts at -2 and goes to infinity. And so that's how you get your intervals of increasing, decreasing, and constant.